This was originally meant to be an April Fool's upload, but due to shipping inconveniences, it's only just arrived. And because I don't like a wasted opportunity for a video, today we'll be looking at the UK's cheapest sat-nav from CEX.
If I could, I would, but I don't know how. If I could, I would, but I don't know how.
First of all, what did we get in the box? Starting off, we got ourselves the TomTom 1/3 edition itself, which released for an MSRP of $399 brand new, but it set me back £3.95, almost 1% of its original price. It also comes with a windscreen mount along with the cigarette lighter adapter. Before we get into reviewing the satnav itself, we first have to take a look at the incredible locking system of the windscreen mount, which is broken into 2 pieces, a sign of a true quality product in my opinion. But yes, here is the TomTom one itself. It does sport a rather chunky design compared to modern GPS units, but that's expected from a product released in 2007. In terms of I/O, we are given a USB charging port and a headphone jack. It's already doing better than the new iPhones. And now on to startup. First of all, the splash screen, which shows off the beautiful 3.5-inch LCD display with a resolution of 320 by 240. Getting deeper into the specs, this thing has 1GB of internal memory in order to store all those maps for the navigation. It has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, although these days with how much this battery is probably degraded, your best bet is to leave it plugged in while using it. Now it's time to get it installed into my car, the KA. The latching system was a little fiddly because of the broken clip, but we got it in there eventually, and even got it decently cable managed. And now, it's on to testing. So in terms of testing for this satnav, I can't really do much. So as you guys may know, at the time of filming, the UK is currently on lockdown, meaning we're not allowed to make any unnecessary travels. So this is the best I can do. Install it in my car and look at it. Plan some destinations I may do after the lockdown. Yeah. That's as far as I can go with testing. So at the end of all of this, a semi-serious note. If for some reason you don't have a smartphone with Google Maps and want an inexpensive way to travel, you can go ahead and pick this up and I'm sure it will be pretty handy. And actually, back to that Google Maps note I just made, this whole GPS system alone costs less than it would be to get a decent smartphone mount for your car. Take that for what you will, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this rather unexpected upload. Goodbye.